Welcome to day 2 of learning about our emotions. I am Coach Fola. Today we are learning about our emotions using the emotions wheel. What are emotions? Emotions are simply feelings we feel inside. Simply feelings inside our hearts. They help us understand what's happening to us or what's happening around us. For example, when your friend shares a snack with you, you feel happy. When you lose your toy, you feel sad. When you do well in school, you feel proud. When there's thunder at night, you may feel scared. Even the Bible shows us that emotions are normal. It is how you respond to them. It is what you do with your emotions that matters. The Bible says Jesus wept. That means even Jesus felt sad. Jesus felt sad, you see? The Bible also says, when I'm afraid, oh Lord, I'll put my trust in you. This teaches us what to do when we feel fear. Now let's talk about the emotions wheel. The emotions wheel is like a big pizza that has different slices. Your emotions is written on different slices. It shows when you're scared, surprised, happy, calm, proud, excited, sad, or mad. All right. Now, but why should you know your feelings? Why should you be able to identify these feelings or emotions? Here's why. Knowing your feelings helps you understand yourself. If you don't know what you feel, you might act in ways that might hurt others. When you know what you feel, it makes you make better choices. If you say I'm angry, you can decide to calm down instead of shouting or fighting. It also helps you talk to God. When you know what you feel, you can pray about it. You can say, Lord, I feel sad today. Help me. It helps others care for you. If you tell your parents, I feel scared, they will know how to comfort you. They will know what to tell you. All right. But if you don't know your feelings, if you can't identify your feelings, you can't help yourself. Nobody can also help you. So today, 3 times today, I want you to stop and ask yourself, using this emotions wheel, how am I feeling right now? Do I feel scared? Do I feel surprised? Do I feel happy? Do I feel calm? Am I proud? All right. Do I feel excited? Do I feel sad or mad? Then choose one word from the emotions wheel and you can talk to God about it. All right. That is it today. All right. Remember that every feeling is okay. God cares about how you feel and He wants to help you handle them in the right way. He wants to help you handle them in the right way. So today, all throughout today, stop, pause, and ask yourself, how am I feeling right now? All right. Once again, I'm Coach Fola. I'll see you on day 3.